with your teacher, Lynn. Wo, window, wo, watermelon, right. The next one we have X, got the sound, we have here letter X, sounds with number 6, and then X for xylophone, and then we have also X for X-ray. Alright, next one here, we have here Y. Y got the sound y. Y, yo-yo. Y, yacht. And the last letter is letter Z. Zebra. Zucchini. All right.
W,
watch.
Watch.
Window.
Window.
Wash.
Wash.
Water.
Water. X,
Fox. Box. 6. Fix.
Y,
Yo-yo.
yo-yo.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yawn.
Yawn.
Yacht.
Yacht.
Zipper.
Zipper.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Zoo.
Zoo.
Zero.
Zero.
It's worksheet time. We have here our W, X, Y, Z. The W for whale. We're going to color the whale. I have here a purple whale. And here it's a whale. And the next one, letter X. X for X-ray. I've got here a green X-ray. And the next one is Y. Y for yak. Yak is a kind of an animal here. It's a yak. Actually, got a yellow yak. And the last letter Z. Letter Z for a zebra. We can color the zebra something funny color now. Up here, a yellow zebra here. That's it, just a little bit. That's our zebra. And below here, we are going to circle the right letter. So whale, we'll have here W. And then X-ray starts with an X, circle X. And then yak, we're going to circle the Y. And the last one is zebra. We're going to circle letter Z. Congratulations, kids! We had just finished our letter sounds from A to Z. Wow! Congratulations for that! Yay, you made it! This time, Teacher Lynn will teach you more about school supplies or things in school. We are going to watch these videos so that we can learn more. Watch out this.
What's in your backpack? It's my book. I can read. Book. Book. It's my notebook. I can write on it. Notebook. Notebook. These are my scissors. I can cut the paper. Scissors. Scissors. It's my glue. I can stick them with it. Glue. Glue. It's my tape. I can put them with it. Tape. Tape. Is this your pencil case? Yes, it is. Pencil case. Pencil case. What's in your pencil case? These are my pencils and pens. I like to write. Pencil. Pencil. Pen. Pen. It's my eraser. I can erase and write again. Eraser. Eraser. It's my highlighter. I can mark with it. Highlighter. Highlighter. It is my ruler. I like to measure. Ruler. Ruler. These are my color pencils. I can draw a rainbow. Color pencil. Color pencil. There are things for school in my backpack.
Right, we are going to match the pictures and then to its words here. Okay, what's this? It's a book. What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's an eraser. And then what's this? It's a glue. And what's this one? It's a scissors. It's a scissors. And the last one, what's this? It's a pen. Pen. Okay. Now, Teacher Lynn will read the words on the other side. So, here is pencil. Pencil. We are going to match to the picture of a pencil. And this one, book. Book. We are going to go for the green book. And the next one here is notebook. Notebook. Okay. Match here with the notebook here. And this one is a glue. Glue. We're going to match there with the glue. And then pen. Pen. We're going to match here with the pen. And the last one, scissors. Scissors. Alright. Yay.
That's all for now. Teacher Lynn will say bye-bye. See you again tomorrow.